Hello, Parkavi. How are you?
Hello, Tamilini sissy. I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well, too. Recently, when I was talking to Akshita, she mentioned savings and investments.
Okay, so what's the matter now, sissy? I couldn't quite understand it. Could you explain it clearly?
Both investments and savings are important, but there are many differences between the two. What does savings mean?
Savings is like putting aside money from your earnings without spending it, just like putting it in a piggy bank. Here, the piggy bank is like a bank. When you need money urgently, these savings will help. It fulfills short-term needs. It's like growing a plant inside your house.
I understand. So what about investments?
Investments are like doubling or increasing the money you've earned. It's like growing a tree outside your house. There's a mention of this in the channel's description.
Parkavi, you mentioned that there's risk in investments.
Yes, sissy. There's risk in investments, but it varies depending on the type of investment you choose. Buying land, purchasing stocks, mutual funds, government bonds, all these come with risks, sissy.
So, savings don't offer growth, but they meet immediate needs. Whereas investments can lead to significant growth. Is that right?
Exactly. You've understood it very well. Sissy, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
Name 3 creatures that lay eggs.
Chicken, lizard, duck.
Oh no, that's not it. Math teacher, English teacher, chemistry teacher. Anyway, let me get to the important point. Savings have high liquidity, like a plant. Investments have low liquidity, but they are like a tree.
Thanks, Parkavi. Now I understand how important both investments and savings are.
I'm glad you understood. There will be more finance-related videos like this on the channel, so don't forget to subscribe to stay informed.